Good afternoon, ngayon po ay August 19, 2026, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong August 19, 2026, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, August 19, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 19, 2026, Wednesday. Here are the Tunes jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, August 19, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of August 19, 2026, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.